morning from a beautiful Perisher. It's springy, it's slushy. I'm here with Jordan and Tucker. We are skiing today and I am testing out the new Smith Mag 4D. This is the IO Mag 4D. It has just come out. I don't know if it's actually released, but I've got a pair. And they're basically 25% more peripheral vision than the current mag that got released last year. I did a video on them and it has that 8 magnets, the Porex. Does this one have a Porex? No Porex, but still got that air evac ventilation on the top and this really cool lens that looks like the windscreen of an airplane or something like that. This is crazy. I can see my own body almost. I can see heaps more around me. We're gonna go skiing and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. All right, so I've done a bit of skiing and I can definitely tell that these have more peripheral vision than the predecessor of the mag. They're not getting rid of the mag, they're just upgrading to the 4D mag. And yeah, it feels really wide. I can see more top to bottom. It also feels really kind of ventilated on the inside as well. Obviously it's a sunny day, so I'm not getting any fogging, but it does feel really spacious in there, which can help minimize foggy goggles, which I think is fantastic. It's also really comfortable on my face, much more comfortable than the mag. I think a lot of people tried the mag on and felt like it was too narrow. This definitely feels wider. The foam even feels more comfortable and soft, which is great. So I think for a goggle like this that has 2 lenses, yes, it comes with that low light Chromapop lens as well. Here I am thinking that the lens change for this Mag 4D is also the same as the IO Mag, but oh man, I was wrong. There's 2 little latches on the side that you just turn, releases the locking mechanism for the magnets, and bam, out it comes. This is even simpler than the IO Mag, which I'm so impressed by this goggle. It's definitely a close competitor to the Flight Deck, I reckon. Maybe even something like the X2 from Dragon as well, but I think it's great and I can't wait to see what everyone else thinks.